Hey everyone, check out the Storage Maniac 80L Collapsible Hamper with wheels, designed for heavy-duty laundry sorting. This two-section laundry sorter features a sturdy metal frame that provides exceptional strength and durability. Its removable bag makes it easy to transport your laundry without any hassle. The folding X-frame allows for quick and convenient storage when not in use. Equipped with smooth rolling wheels, this hamper moves effortlessly across any floor surface. It's perfect for organizing your laundry while saving space in your home. Experience the ultimate combination of durability and convenience with this laundry organizer cart. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.